Hey guys, welcome to Almo Fam. Today we are gonna see and give review of a knife sharpener and how does it work. We got it through e-commerce website. As you can see, it's from Amazon. So now just unbox it and let's see whether it works or not. Before going into the video, if you are new to our channel, there are many other videos, please check it out, and also make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever we upload a video. Normally after a certain point of time, our knives become blunt and doesn't work properly. So instead of throwing away and buying new ones, we can just use these kind of sharpeners and make them sharp. Normally the knives will be more costlier. So instead of buying a new one every time, we can use these kind of tools. So as we bought online, we got it for 499 rupees. If you want, you can remove this grinder head for easy cleaning purposes after many times of usage. Our knife got better after these 3 steps of grinding. If your knife is still blunt, you can repeat this process one more time. And also in every step, instead of doing 10 to 15 times, you can make it for 20 to 25 times. So that's it for today guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Almo Fam. Thank you for watching.